In this video, we'll show you the easiest, most convenient, and reliable way to use the 0 to 10 volt dimming function of modern LED fixtures. And this is it, the responsive 0 to 10 volt blink and dim adapter for 0 to 10 volt dimmable LED fixtures, retrofit kits, or fluorescent ballasts. This little adapter, just 2 inches long, mounts in the ceiling with your fixture. It supplies the necessary 0 to 10 volt dimming control signal and is completely compatible with your existing wiring. You won't have to run any new control wires in your walls. The adapter turns existing switches into fully functional dimmer switches using a blink and dim protocol. You'll not need to replace any switch with a 0 to 10 volt dimmer switch. In this example, a 0 to 10 volt blink and dim adapter and a small power supply are pre-wired and affixed to the back of this fixture. This facilitates bench testing and easy installation. When you mount the assembly in the ceiling, all you need to connect is the 2 wires for switched AC power and the green safety ground wire. Here is the front of our fixture, covered with 6 sheets of paper so it won't completely overload the camera. It's plugged into a switched power strip. You can put a blink and dim label like this one on your switch as a reminder that it can control dimming too. Your fixture should come on at full brightness when first switched on. To make it dim, blink any switch off briefly. Blink again when you see the level you want. The switch still turns lights off in the usual way. When you switch back on, the brightness setting is restored. After dimming, blink to make lights brighten. If you start dimming and don't blink again, lights will dim to the adapter's low trim setting. In this case, 2% matches the fixture's dimming capability. If you start brightening and don't blink again, lights will return to full brightness. To review, the responsive 0 to 10 volt blink and dim adapter installs easily with your 0 to 10 volt dimmable fixture. Uses existing wiring. You don't need any new wires in your walls. And it works with existing switches. You can control dimming with any switch via touch, voice command, smartphone, or Wi-Fi. You won't need to add any new controls. Ordering from Amazon is easy too. Use the search term 0-10V blink and dim adapter to find it fast. Thanks for watching.